Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. I don't know why I let my intrusive thoughts win and I just pulled off the address sticker. So, you know what? I'm at an age, I just let my intrusive thoughts win sometimes. If they're really bad, no, but sometimes, why not? Here it is. Again, you know the drill, right? Let's hope nothing is broken. Oh god. Oh, we got the QR code, but we also got this. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. I don't have glasses on. I can look. I don't have glasses on. It's always a hit or miss. What the hell is that? Is that... Hold on. Can you see? This is separated. Is that supposed to be like that? What is this? Talasso scrub. Rassodante. Oh my god, this is Italian. Oh my god, I don't speak Italian. Sali esfolianti detossinanti. Oh wait, should have read in English. Firming Talasso scrub, detoxifying exfoliating salts with essential oils and cherry extract. Ooh. I think you have to shake this up so it's actually a nice mixture. Yeah, that looks more like a scrub. Okay, I still got a bit of time. I just got ready. I found this look. Here is the leaflet. It's called Pass on the fantastic feeling. What's in the box? Let's go. Number one is... Oh! Shut up. Oh no, I don't have that one. This is just... Please go... I will link the video in the card. Please go and watch the Get Ready With Me video where I said, oh, I already purchased a new mascara as a backup. We got a mascara. So it's either this one, the Sweet Pro Lash Lift Mascara, or the KVD mascara. I mean, a mascara is a mascara. They're both... I mean, mascara is not mascara. You gotta... Like, you have different things, right, for volume and for lengthening, but it's a mascara or a mascara that you get. It's not a shampoo or a blush. They're both full size and they're both worth £22, so it comes down to the same thing, I guess. What in the actual fuck is that? What the hell? What is this? What the hell? Oh my god. No, I'm a millennial, and I feel like I should know that, not only technology, but also the beauty world is evolving constantly. I'm still surprised by stuff like this. Like, how am I supposed to use this? What the? Close it again. And not think about it. I will think about it when I get to it. This lightweight and buildable mascara formula is infused with vitamin B5 to nourish your lashes and hold a curl that stays all day. Unlike most mascara brushes, the groundbreaking skinny brush coats each lash from root to tip, creating a maximum definition and volume. There's also a how to use thing here, so I might do a short video for that. A shorts. Yeah, I might do that because I'm really intrigued to see how this works. Okay, first product is nice. You can always use mascara. So what color is it? Black. I feel like that's a product that a lot of people can use, so that's good. Up next we have... Oh, it's an either or box, I guess. So which Murad serum will you receive? I have the Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum. So it's either that or it's the Vita C Glycolic Serum. I don't have... I'm very lucky. I know that I don't have any dark spots, so I'm very happy with it. But I feel like I cannot use this. Might be able to sell that because I'm not using that one. They are both the travel sizes, and this one is worth £14. The other one's worth £15. This glycolic acid serum uses patented antioxidant resorptional technology to help correct and prevent the looks of dark spots for a more even skin tone. Suitable for a wide range of skin types, it targets the dark spots you see and helps to prevent the look of pigmentation you can't see yet. You know what? I might actually use that. The second product that I have and that I will keep. Okay, interesting. Then we have... Oh, okay, these... I will not use these. These are the powder puffs that were the preview from last month. You know my thoughts on getting these beauty tools every single month. Yeah, I will not use these. Right, so these are the full size, obviously. Could you imagine if it wasn't the full size? And they are worth... How am I blind you? Like this. They are worth $14.99. Essential for a flawless finish, these velvet puffs seamlessly blend pressed powders into your skin, whether you're touching up at the airport or the gym. The teardrop point offers precision and maximum coverage, designed to fit into all contours of your face whilst the water surface is perfect to bake and set. I will sell these. I will not use them. Alright, then we have the travel size for this. Perfect Legs Skin Miracle, a tinted multivitamin serum with caramel to prep, polish and glow for legs. I'm going to use that right now. I mean, I still have to get some other bottoms on. You know, I have shorts on right now, but I will put a skirt on. I just want to see. Oh my god. Do you see how dark that is? It doesn't smell good. But it gives you a bit of color. A tiny bit. I think the shimmer in as well. Get it off my hands. I don't want one hand to be darker than the other. That would bring me back to high school where I tried self-tanner for the first time and it looked absolutely horrendous, as you can probably imagine. This is the travel size and is worth £8. Prep, polish and glow with this tinted body serum packed with vitamin C to improve the skin tone, whilst the caramel adds a natural looking tan. Transform your dull looking winter legs to radiant summer skin with this hydrating, fast absorbing formula ready to take with you anywhere. It's for a subtle temporary tan. I have a bit of a problem here because this product is not what's in here, because you were supposed to get a perfume, a travel size perfume by Avon, and have a body scrub. And the last product that is in here is actually this. I'm very confused. I'm gonna open this up and I don't know if this is good. I mean, if you shake it up, it actually comes down to a normal scrub, but it liquefies. Is that a word? Liquefy? Anyway, like it's just not that nice. So I cannot tell you too much about it because I have no idea. I know what it does. It's fully in your body. Yes, but there's no additional information. Yeah, I will definitely keep this around and we'll use it on my elbows because they are dry. They're not even dry, they're dry. So yeah, I guess, yeah, I will use it, I guess. Last but not least, I think we had this one like 5 times already. This is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster, Restore Conditioner. Again, I just bought the conditioner today. I should have known, It doesn't smell that good, but it could also be that it's still this one. It smells like grandma. You know, like the grandma that has a bit too much perfume on. Usually grandmas smell nice, right? It gives you a feeling of home and comfort, but sometimes, depending on the grandma, it's a little too much. This is this. So this is the travel size is worth $2.50. An intensely hydrating conditioner booster that swiftly nourishes your strands and restores shine with olive oil and chia seed extract. This hair mask deeply conditions and tames frizz, adds elasticity and strength to your strands, and protects the hair's health with improved resistance against daily brushing and stuff. That's it. That's everything that's in the box. It's not that bad actually. Like I like the mascara. I like this for like dark spot prevention. This is not supposed to be in here. I don't know. This, it's okay. It's okay. It's not the best thing ever, but it's okay. Let me know if you have ever tried any of these products, please. Okay, then let's talk Trickwell Cosmetics, which is this again, you know, interview. Lash Icons with KVD, which I don't have the mascara. Serums to swear by, so it's about me, right? And the serums that you get. Another one. Gym Bag Essentials by, I cannot read the name. Ella? I think that she has in her skin, like not skin bag, in like gym bag. Then we have a LookFantastic and Ole Henriksen box, in case you want to check that out. Then what's coming in July? Oh, did we not have that one before as well? The LMS Superfood AHA AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. Smooth like butter. It's been 3 years since that song came out and I'm still jamming to it. So that was everything that was in the box. Like I said, let me know if you tried any of these things. We'll sell these, so they're basically not even in the box anymore. I'm excited for the mascara because that looks very nice. This I will put on right now. See if I you know, have any results. A nice subtle tan. Yeah, like I can always use stuff like this, I guess. This, I'm just a little bit disappointed with that because it looks like it's not. You know, obviously there's sugar in. I hope it's sugar. Is it sugar? Salt. And oil, essential oils, and usually they're supposed to be more mixed together. I feel like it's because of the heat and because of the travel and all. It's just separated. And that, like I said, I just shook this and it's already separating again. Yeah, I don't know. We will see. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and it's the next one.